All right, what's up everybody? Landan with LMR.com. It's early in the morning, so kind of got my morning voice and my morning face on, but hey, that's okay, man, because I am totally fanboying right now. We're in Dearborn, Michigan, the Ford World headquarters for the inaugural Motor City Foxfest. So we knew with having some foxbody roots, specifically with this show, we had to be here. We had to check all this cool stuff out because foxbody is more than just Mustang. You know, Capri, Zephyr, Fairmont, LTD, Durango, and a few other cars that were built on the foxbody chassis. Hopefully we get to see some of those cool cars as well, because not very often you get to see that type of stuff. So if y'all watch our videos, especially our event videos, y'all have heard me say this time and time again, we want y'all to value the content instead of me just doing a whole bunch of talking. But nonetheless, let's get this show started. We're gonna go check out some cars.
Now we'll get into parts that make a lot of people really interested in, foxbody parts. We are bringing back the Ford Motorsport logo on parts, and we're working on these are early prototype concept pieces from Recaro with the classic logo on them and the classic tri-class logo.
That's crazy.
This is literally the first one you're going to see, and what we want to know, everybody know, is what you're about to see. We are going to give this first one away here with the JDRF raffle. So whoever wins the second JDRF raffle today will get to walk away with the first foxbody Ford Motorsport car cover, brand new from our team. I think it does a great job of complementing one of the greatest racing programs that has ever existed, and certainly one of the great logos that we all know.
right, folks, so that's a wrap from the inaugural Motor City Foxfest in Dearborn, Michigan at the Ford World headquarters. I think right away, right off the bat, some pretty cool announcements from Ford Performance while we were at the show. They announced the return of motorsport branding, and then of course two of the parts that they revealed at the show was the very cool motorsport car cover as well as the concept foxbody seats in collaboration with Recaro. Again, those are concepts. If you want to know more information about the car cover and the seats, check out the article down below, but those are two parts. That's more to come per Ford Performance. I also want to extend some sincere appreciation for the event organizers for Motor City Foxfest. A lot of us, when we go to events, we just see all the frontward facing stuff like hanging out with the vendors, hanging out at the cars, talking to people, but what we don't get to see and what we don't experience is all the behind the scenes legwork that goes into organizing and putting on the event. So again, thank you to all the event organizers of the Motor City Foxfest for making this one happen. And in closing, I had a really good time. I was very thankful that myself and Jude, we were able to attend the event, bring you guys some really good coverage of all the neat cars that you don't typically get to see when you go to other shows. We're going to close it out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Until we see you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things Fox Body, SN95, and New Age Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.